Older CRV here. Lights yellowed, hazed out, and the customer asked me if I could do something with his front emblem, and of course I could, so that looked great too. As you could see, typical tops on the Hondas, they burn right through. Headlights really needed some help. Driver's side is the same issue. Really bad hazing, burnt tops. But wait till you see the end result. Of course, when we're done with it, it'll look gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the emblem. How awesome is that? Looks brand new, doesn't it? Look, if you're in Broward County, Florida, Palm Beach, Miami-Dade, we're the only ones you can call. We're mobile, 754-302-0769. We come to you. We are the best. Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach, and we are mobile. Thank you.